Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of all about Python with Yash. So in this video we are again creating a new program whose name is Sentiment Analyzer. So I should give a theory of this program. In this program, whatever text we will write in it, like I am bored, I am not good, etc. So it will show that which type of statement is it. Is it a positive statement? Is it a negative statement? Or is it a neutral statement? Alright guys, so let's start with the video. So first of all, there is a library called TextBlob. So first of all, we will import it. Import TextBlob. Alright guys, so many of you should not have this library, so you have to do one thing. Go to new terminal and write pip install TextBlob and it will install. As you can see, it is already in my laptop, so it is showing requirement satisfied. But if you do it, it will not show anything, it will just download. Alright guys, now we will define a function to perform the sentiment analysis. Alright guys, so if we will write def sentiment underscore analyzer and in the bracket we will write the text. Alright guys, then we will create our text blob object. Alright, so we will write blob is equals to text blob and then we will write text. Alright guys, then we will get sentiment polarity. So through the polarity only we can get to know that the statement is positive, neutral or a negative statement. Alright guys, so we will write polarity is equals to blob dot sentiment dot polarity. Alright guys, then we will classify the polarity as positive, negative and neutral. So if the polarity is greater than 0, sorry guys, polarity is greater than 0, so it should return it should return positive. And if polarity is less than 0, so it should return negative. And if polarity is equals to 0, it should return negative. Sorry, it should return neutral. So guys, basically the polarity works like if the statement is negative, so it will have a negative value. Alright, and if it has a positive statement, so it will have a positive value. Alright, and if the polarity is equals to 0, so it will return that it is a neutral. So it is a TextBlob library function which is so amazing. Alright guys, then we will write else print return none. Alright guys, then we will import sentiment analyzer function. Alright, so from sentiment analyzer import sentiment underscore analyzer. Then we will get the user input, that what statement he or she wants to test, that it is a positive statement, it is a negative statement or it is a neutral statement. So we will simply write text is equals to input enter a statement. Alright guys, we will give some space. Then we will write Then we will call the sentiment analyzer function with the user input. So we will write sentiment is equals to sentiment underscore analyzer. In the bracket we will enter text. So now what will happen is it will test that it is comes under the condition of the polarity is positive, under the condition of polarity is negative, or under the condition of polarity is neutral, and will return us print sentiment. So let's test it once. Alright guys, let's test it. So as you can see, one second guys, I hope there is one issue. We will test it from here. Enter some text. It is asking for some text. What I have written here? Enter a statement. Okay. We will write here. Enter some text. Alright guys. Alright guys. Now if we run it, you can see. If we run it, it is asking for some text. We will write here. I am a good boy. You can see it is having positive statement. Alright, if we write I am Yash, it is a neutral statement. Alright guys, it is a not a negative statement, neither a positive statement. So it is returning a neutral statement. Alright guys, so this is all for this video. You can see I will give a short summary of this. First of all, we have imported the TextBlob library. Then we have defined a function to perform the sentiment analysis. Then we have created a variable named blob is equals to text blob. In the bracket we have write the text to get the input. Then we have write polarity is equals to blob dot sentiment dot polarity. So it is a syntax for polarity. Then we will write if. We will start the if, elif and else statements. So we will write if polarity is greater than 0, so it will return positive. If polarity is less than 0, it will return negative. If polarity is. So this is all for today's video. Hope you liked it. So do like, share and subscribe this video, and please comment your valuable suggestions. I will try to bring more Python projects that are so unique that you cannot find them on YouTube.